Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily Speak English, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah.
And I'm David. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here today.
How are you today, David?
I'm doing wonderful. The weather's nice, and I'm excited for today's topic.
Me too. Today, we are going to talk about the supermarket.
A very useful topic. Everyone goes to the supermarket.
Before we start, please subscribe to Daily Speak English so you don't miss our new lessons.
And give this episode a thumbs up. It really helps our channel.
Okay, David, are you ready to go shopping?
I am. I even brought my shopping list.
Let's imagine we walk through the big glass doors.
The store smells fresh, and it's bright inside.
The first thing we need is a shopping cart or basket.
My list is short, so I will take a basket.
My list is long. I need a shopping cart.
The section is usually near the entrance.
Yes, it's colorful. Red apples, green apples, oranges, bananas.
I need apples. I prefer red apples because they're sweet.
How many do you need?
4 is enough.
And bananas?
Yes, a bunch of yellow bananas.
I need carrots.
Carrots are usually near the potatoes. Ah, here they are.
Great. I'll take a bag of carrots. Sarah, look. There's a sign, buy one, get one free breakfast cereal.
Oh, that's a great discount. Let's compare prices.
This small box is $4.50. The big one is $6.
But the price per 100 grams is cheaper for the big box.
So the big box is a better deal.
I'll take the big box and I get another one free. Nice.
Look at these apples, Sarah. Some are organic, some are not. What's the difference?
Organic food is grown without chemicals. It is usually more expensive but healthier.
I think I'll buy organic carrots today.
Good choice.
The dairy section is always cold. Brr.
Yes, lots of refrigerators. You need milk and eggs, right?
Yes, I want a big carton of milk because my family drinks a lot.
Here are the eggs. Do you need a dozen?
Yes, 1 dozen, 12 eggs. I'll put them in the cart carefully.
Now I need yogurt. Strawberry is my favorite. I'll take 2.
Wait, David, always check the expiration date.
You're right. Let me see. This yogurt expires in 2 weeks. Good.
Expired food can make you sick. Always check the date. The bakery, my favorite place. It smells so good.
Fresh bread is the best smell in the world.
I need 1 loaf of white bread.
Here you go.
Should we get cookies?
Yes, even if they're not on the list. Just a small treat.
David, look at all these cookie brands. How do you choose one?
I usually check price, ingredients, sugar level, reviews online sometimes.
I like that idea. I'll choose the one with less sugar. Next, I need chicken for dinner.
The meat counter is usually near the dairy section.
Hello, can I please have 2 chicken breasts?
Of course. They weigh the chicken and wrap it for you.
Sometimes it's hard to find things in a big supermarket.
Yes. If you can't find something, say, "Excuse me, where can I find the pasta?"
Very polite and simple.
And the employee might say, "It's in aisle 4.
I'm thirsty from all this shopping.
Me too. Let's go to the drinks aisle.
I want orange juice.
I'll take a bottle of water.
I want orange juice.
I'll take a bottle of water.
David, look at the juice labels. This one has no added sugar.
And this one has vitamin C. Labels help you choose healthier options.
Could we get something from the frozen section?
Sure, frozen vegetables are healthy and last longer.
I'll take frozen peas.
And I'll take frozen blueberries for smoothies.
I think we have everything.
Yes, let's go to the checkout area.
There are express lines and regular lines. Express line is for 10 items or less. Hello, how are you today?
We are great, thank you.
Did you find everything you were looking for?
Yes, we did. Thank you.
Your total is $32.45.
Can I pay with a card?
Yes, cash or card is fine.
Here is my card.
Would you like a bag?
Yes, 2 bags, please.
David, do you use reusable bags?
Yes, I try to. It's better for the environment. But today, I forgot them at home.
Happens to everyone. Okay, we have our groceries. Let's go home.
It was a successful shopping trip.
We practiced a lot of useful English and useful life skills. Today we learned shopping cart, shopping basket, dairy section, bakery, meat counter, aisle, checkout, expiration date, organic food, price per 100 grams, discounts and offers.
Great vocabulary for real-life shopping.
David, what is your favorite supermarket section?
I think the bakery. I love fresh bread.
Mine is the fruit section. Everything looks so colorful.
Shopping is also a chance to make healthy choices.
Yes, for example, choose whole grain bread. Choose low sugar yogurt. Choose fresh vegetables. Drink more water instead of soda.
Small choices make a big difference.
Well, that brings us to the end of today's episode.
Thank you so much for joining us at Daily Speak English. Before you go, please subscribe and leave a comment below.
Today's question is, what is one thing you always buy at the supermarket?
I always buy fruits.
And I always buy bread. That's all for today. Keep practicing your English.
And remember, learning can be easy and fun.
Until next time, goodbye.
Bye, everyone.